Welcome back, children, to the second module of the topic 18. Now we'll learn the use of should and should not. Should is चाहिए हिंदी में. Should expresses polite suggestions about things that are good to do. Sometimes I tell you, please, you should do this. You should do your homework. And should not expresses polite suggestions about things that are not good to do. You should not run on the road. Sometimes your mama must be telling you. Should not can also be written as shouldn't. Take the pictures that show things that are good to do and put a cross on the pictures that show things that are not good to do. What do we see in the first picture? The boy is standing on the swing. What we will write here? You should not stand on a swing. Picture number 2 tells the boy is sleeping. What will we say here? You should wake up early. Picture number 3. You should help your mom. Alright. And picture number 4. What do you see in picture number 4? The boy is troubling the other boy. You should not disturb friends in the class. Picture number 4. You should not disturb your friends in the class. Picture number 5. This picture shows that Ria is helping her mother. So how will write? You should help your mom. And children, this picture tells you should make your bed. You are also helping your mom by making bed. So you should help your mom in the household work and you should make your bed. Now read these sentences. We should go to bed early. हमें जल्दी सोना चाहिए. We should not stick our head out of a bus. हमें बस से बाहर सिर नहीं निकालना चाहिए. Fill in the blanks with should or shouldn't. Amit should hurry to school. It is already 8. I have been watching TV all morning. I should go out for a walk now. You shouldn't go out in this heat without an umbrella. Heat means garmi. You shouldn't go thirsty for so long. You should drink more water. Now I am sure you are able to understand all these sentences, children. Number 5. Should I go upstairs and help her with the books? This is the question, and while we make an interrogative sentence, we bring the helping verb should in the beginning. You shouldn't eat with your mouth open. Every day you must be learning. We should not eat with our mouth open. Number 7. You should sit and study for your test tomorrow. Your parents must be telling you. You should sit and study. Number 8. Revati shouldn't talk so loudly. I tell you in the class also. You should not talk so loudly. Number 9. Hamid and Usha should be more attentive in class, said the teacher. More attentive, they should pay attention in the class. Number 10. You are so tired. You should sleep for a while. For a while, थोड़े समय के लिए. So children, in this topic, we learned the use of can, can't, should and shouldn't. You read all these sentences loudly and you understand. Do this work and send me on Google Classroom for correction. Thank you, children.